The working of this problem requires correction. First major point is that the combination is pivoted at the end P. It is pivoted at the end. When something is pivoted, it means there is some physical object there, and that physical object may exert force. So if something hits, there is going to be some force here. I hope you are understanding me. For example, you have the door and you hit the door from one side, and door is rotating about some hinges. Now in that hinge there is bound to be some force. So at P we have, it is pivoted at P. So when C hits this system, there is bound to be some force at P. So that was the problem with conservation of linear momentum. Now realizing that, I changed it to conservation of angular momentum. Even if there is force at P due to pivot, that force has to pass through P. So about this point of rotation, that force cannot create any torque. So this will work, conservation of angular momentum. Conservation of linear momentum may not work. So please note down this point, that when you see some hinge here, then you have to be careful with conservation of linear momentum. Now applying this is easy. Just before mvr, for a particle mvr, mass u, and then this about P means total length 1.2. And after we have a system of these three whose I is I into omega. So from this we get a relationship between U and omega. And while collision is inelastic, there will be loss of energy, but just after collision, till the horizontal position, mechanical energy is conserved. Now, eventually it is all potential energy. It is just reaching there. That means no speed, all potential energy, gravitational. For these three, center of mass locations are different. So each one of them is climbing different heights. So we have taken three things, three bodies, 1, 2 and that particle. This body has this center of mass and that will travel like this. How much gain in potential energy? 0.01 into g into this height and that height, this height which will be 0.3. The center of mass of this, which is here, will travel like this, here. So it will travel this much height, which is 0.9 mgh. Then this particle will travel the whole distance of, whole vertical distance of 1.2 mgh.